Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I'm focused on a fundraiser with a compelling folded freemium that turns into a meaningful 3D keepsake. The solution involves a strong concept and a smart design, so let's take a closer look. This fundraising piece for the Mercy Center in New Jersey features the theme Give the Gift of Light. When opened, you see there's a decorative sleeve and it slides right off. Once removed, the scores start to engage and you realize that you're holding a paper votive or luminary that was designed to be placed over a battery-powered candle as a reminder of how the recipient can provide the glimmer of hope in someone's life by participating in the fundraiser. The postcard insert has photos and simple messaging on one side and a heartfelt letter on the back with instructions for how to donate online. There was also a return envelope provided for anyone who wanted to send a check in the mail. I love how the sleeve turns into a luminary and a meaningful reminder of the hope and the help that your donation can provide. They're creating an emotional connection with the recipient through a tangible object, and it's powerful. On the production side, the paper votive was clever and really economical as an idea for a keepsake. It's just a rectangle with 4 scores, a 1/2-inch glue tab on one end with panel 1 glued to panel 4. There's also a die cut on each of the panels for light to come through. Now, they could have just put the folded luminary in the envelope separately, but the integration with the card makes it impossible to miss and allows for the insert to be a simple postcard. Economy is the name of the game for fundraising. Both pieces were printed on a Xerox V3100 digital press, die cut, then hand glued and assembled. They did about 4,000 of these. I love this idea for fundraising and also for holiday cards or memorial events. A very special thanks to the creators of the sample featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.